Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to add new events on your Form Titan scheduler by clicking on the screen. So right now when I click on an empty slot, nothing happens. So I'm gonna head over to my form builder, my calendar element settings, and hit configure. And head over to the general, and on the bottom, you see the selectable option. Once I check this, let me show you what happens, and I'll hit save. And let's refresh our form here. And once I click something, you can create a new event. And in order for you to get all this information on that event, on which resource it is and what times was the event created on, what you need to do is, if we'll go back to the settings on this on the selectable, you can see that you can map all these things onto your hidden. So you can map the start to a hidden. I already have a bunch of hiddens from previous videos, and the end to a hidden, and the resource ID, so you will know which resource it was created on, etc. And once you have all this information, you can run custom actions like push actions or get actions to push or get records onto Salesforce. And we have this in previous demos as well. And this is how it's done.